Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for being here. First of all, I don't always say that, but I'm so grateful. If you are here watching, thank you. Now let's jump into the hair review. Today's hair sponsor is Julia Hair. We love Julia Hair. They are a staple on my channel and I'm super excited to have them back because this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 HD highlight pre-plucked pre-cut ready to wear glueless dome cap rental wig. This is in the highlight color honey brown. I like to stick the comb in. So can you wear this wig glueless? Absolutely, you can. But we don't want to wear her glueless today. We want to secure her down. I want to show you guys the hairline up close. That is without any glue. I'm gonna go in with some Skin Protect.
I wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay.
Doesn't look like it's gonna dry, but believe me, it's gonna dry. And then the same thing, that's where the end of the lace ends, I guess, or begins. I don't know, the start or the beginning. I have actually been taking some time off. I'm not posting as much. I just need to just take some time. Not go as hard, but still hard, if you know what I mean.
I never left a stone unturned.
Okay, press that in.
To find some love in this crazy world, I feel like I was never hurt.
Okay. If there is an extra at the back, you're not tying it tight enough, go ahead and tie it tighter. Do it with the blow dryer to speed up the process.
I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen.
Let's remove the band. Okay, do we see that melt? Remove any hairs that are caught. Does come with baby hairs already. I'm just gonna thin it out. If you don't like a whole lot of baby hairs but you still want to keep the look, just go ahead and pluck some hairs out of it. It's not that big of a deal. Wet it, you can use water or powder, but you want to do something that is like a shade darker than your regular foundation. I don't know why it works that way, but it just does. Go in like that, and then I'm gonna go in and spray some more. Hit it with the blow dryer. Try the baby hairs because I don't know if I want them or not. Okay, and anywhere that has too much hair, I'm just putting some back. I have to be comfortable wearing this style. Go ahead and get your hot comb. It came in the middle part, so we're gonna leave it in the middle part, but we have to define the part.
Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Flirt, work for bread.
I like to go in and touch up anywhere my makeup or foundation might have been disrupted, you know?
Ooh, so coy, take it slow to let hurts. Seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is built.
Big, fluffy, gorgeous Beyonce bring in spring and summer vibes. This is that wig, okay? We did a fresh out of the box install. All I did was put her on and style her. It's giving density, it's giving soft, it's giving gorgeous. I love it. This is beautiful. I love these shades. Like the blonde is very blonde and the brown is gorgeous. It's just a really pretty highlight. It's giving a lot of blonde and I like that. Where I want the blonde pieces to be is mostly around my face. I can wear it like I have it secured down today or glueless. If I wore a glueless, we would have just been done the install instantly. They styled the baby hairs for you look, but I made it work for me by pulling some of the hairs out, but they did a great job. I did try one wig that was similar to this in the past where the baby hairs were just even more intense and it was just a bit much for me, but this one, it was a perfect balance. Love it. It looks like a frontal. It has that 7x5, so it's almost ear to ear. You can see this is where the lace ends. So it's all the way from here all the way to here, guys. There's just basically like 3 inches or 4 inches where there isn't any lace. All of the My Sticky Little Secret products, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. I love her products. I do have a special code that you guys can use to save some coins, but we have glued down 2 layers and it's not going anywhere. Chef's kiss. Go get you one of these wigs. It's beautiful. Do you guys want to see the back? This is the back. I mean, it's full. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. It's definitely getting a 10 out of 10 for me. It's comfortable, fits me well, no smell. It's just gorgeous. Go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you go. And I'll catch you guys later in another review, another day, another time. Bye.